Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Before that we should refresh our mind, so let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the multiple angle and submultiple angle and find the value of the sine 22 half degree, tan 22 half degree, tan 37 half degree, etc. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss some more concepts and the value of some trigonometric function like sine 18 degree, cos 18 degree, sine 36 degree and cos 36 degree, and some problems from material. Now let's discuss what is value of, find the value of suppose tan 37 half degree. Okay, this is the previous concept, this is the question, and solution is what? Solution is tan 37 half degree. This can be written as tan 75 degree by 2, and we know tan a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a by sin a. So this is equal to what? This is equal to a means 75 here. So what happens here? This is equal to that implies tan 75 by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos 75 degree by sin 75 degree. So what is cos 75 degree? We know sin 15 degree is equal to cos 75 degree equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is equal to sin 75 degree is equal to what? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so use here that is equal to 1 minus cos 75 means sin 15. So root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 whole divided by what? Whole divided by that is equal to sin 75. So root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So this is equal to what? 2 root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Now rationalize this. 2 root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 into what? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, now this is equal to what? This is the formula, and this is equal to what? 2 root 6 and what? Minus 2 root 2 this is equal to minus 3 and minus plus root 3 plus root 3. Okay, then this is plus root 3 and this is minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now this is equal to 2 root 6 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So take 2 common here, 2 root 6 root 3 minus root 2 minus 2 by 2. So this cancel. The final answer is what? Root 6 plus root 3 minus root 2 minus 2 is the final answer. Okay, this is from previous concept. Now another question. Find the value of sin 18 degree, cos 36 degree, okay, cos 18 degree and sin 36 degree. Okay, now this is the question. Now for first one is sin 18 degree. Okay, let theta is equal to 18 degree, 5 theta is equal to 90 degree. This is 2 theta plus 3 theta is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now 3 theta is equal to what? 3 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 2 theta. So taking both side cos 3 theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus 2 theta. So this is equal to cos 3 theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Now apply formula for cos 3 theta. 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So this is take common cos theta. So here 4 cos square theta minus 3 is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Since theta is 18 degrees, so cos 18 not equal to 0, so cancel here. Now what is here? That is equal to 4 cos square theta. That is equal to what? 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta minus 3 is equal to 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta. That implies 4 into 1 minus sin square theta. 4 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 is equal to 2 sin theta. Got it? And this is equal to 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3 is equal to what? 2 sin theta. Clear? 2 sin theta. Now minus 4 sin square theta minus 4 sin square theta, this is what? Plus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta. So that implies what? 4 sin square theta. That implies 4 sin square theta. 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic form. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic in sin theta. So sin theta is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 2 plus or minus b square means 4 minus 4ac. 4a means 4 and c is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 into 4. Okay. So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root over 20. Plus or minus root over 20 divided by 8. So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus or minus what? 20 means 4 root 5. 2 root 5. This is 2 root 5 divided by 8. So this is equal to what? This is equal to this is equal to sin 18 is sin theta is equal to what? Minus 2 common here. So this is minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 8. So this is 4 So sin theta is equal to what? Minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, that is what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4, and theta is equal to what? Sin 18 is equal to, or what? This is, or taking negative, this is plus sign. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Here theta is equal to, here theta is equal to 18 degree. So sin 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is valued, and this is sin, this is rejected. This is rejected because theta is equal to 18 degrees, so sin 18 cannot be negative. Okay, theta is equal to 8 degrees, so sin 18 degree. So sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 is the answer, and minus 1 minus root 2 or minus root 5 divided by 4 is rejected due to this is negative, and sin 18 is 18 degree lies in first quadrant, so sin 18 is positive, so it is rejected. Okay, now this is the value of sin 18 degree. So this is value of sin 18 degree. Now sin 18 degree is equal to what? Now sin 18 degree equal to cos 72. This is the formula you have to remember. Sin 18 is equal to, sin 18 is equal to, sin 18 is equal to, sin 18 degree equal to cos 72 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is the formula you have to remember. Okay, now another question. Value of what? Cos 36. Value of cos 36. Value of cos 36. So what is the value of cos 36? Now for cos 36 degree, that is cos 2 into 18 degree. What is formula for cos 2 theta? In terms of sin, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cos 2, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta means what? 18. That is equal to 1 minus 2 into sin 18 means what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 whole square by what? 16. So this is what? 8. 1 minus what? That is 8 minus a minus b whole square. That is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 8. This is equal to 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by what? 8. So this is equal to 8 minus root 6. 8 minus 6 means what? 2. And this is 2 root 5 divided by 8. So 2 common here, that is 1 plus root 5 by 4, or root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is value of what? Cos 36 is equal to, cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So another formula is what? So another formula is here. This is equal to what? This is by 8. Okay. So another formula is, you have to remember this. Cos 36 is equal to what? Cos 36 degree is equal to sin 54 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is another formula we have to remember. You have to remember it. Okay. Now another formula, that is value of what? Value of cos 18 degree. Value of cos 18 degree. Now value of cos 18 degree. Now value of cos 18 degree. Now cos 18 degree. Now cos 18 degree. Cos 18 degree means what? 1 minus sin square 18 degree. What is the value of sin 18 degree? That is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. that is equal to what? That is equal to 1 minus, that is root 5 minus 1 whole square by 16. So this is equal to 16 minus this is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divide by what? This is root 5. Okay, divide by 16. So this is 16 minus 6, that is equal to 10. This is what? 2 root 5. 2 root 5 by 16. Okay, this is root 1 minus. Okay, this is root of what? This is square root, and this is also square root. This is also square root, because sin x cos 18 is equal to 1 minus sin square 18 square root. Okay, so this is equal to what? 1 by 4 10 plus 2 root 5. This is what? Value of cos 18. Now another formula that is here, that is another formula. This is equal to what? Cos 18 degree is equal to what? Sin 72 degree is equal to 1 by 4 plus 10 plus 2 root 5. 10 plus 2 root 5. Okay, this is the formula. Now value of sin 18 is over cos 36 over, and cos 18. Now value of what? Sin 36. Now value of sin 36. Value of sin 36. Now value of sin. Now value of sin 36 degree. Okay, what is value of sin 36 degree? We can write sin 36 degree is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square 36 degree. So 1 minus cos square 36 degree. 1 minus cos square 36 degree. Cos 36 degree what? For which formula? That is 1 minus cos 36, that is root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is equal to what? 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. So this is equal to root over 16 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 divided by what? Divided by 16. So 16 minus 6, that is 16 root over 16 minus 6, that is 10. 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by root over 4 means what? And this is 16. So 1 by, this is what? Cos 36 is sin 36 is equal to sin 36 degree is equal to 1 by 4 root over 10 minus 2 root 5. This is answer. So another formula here we calculated, that is what? Sin 36 degree is equal to cos 54 degree, and this is what? Cos 54 degree is equal to 1 by 4 root over what? 10 minus 2 root 5. These are the values we have to remember this. Okay, you have to remember this values. Now some questions from material. Now problems of material. Find the prove that sin 18 degree, prove that sin 18 degree into cos 36 degree is equal to 1 by 4. So left hand side, what is sin 18 degree into cos 36 degree? What is value of cos 18 degree? That is root 5 minus 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. So this is equal to what? A minus b into a plus b, that is a square root 5 square minus 1 square divided by 4 into 4, 16. So this is 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 16, that is equal to what? 4 by 16. So 4 by 16 means 1 by 4. Now another question, that is another question. prove that sin 18 degree plus cos 36 degree is equal to 3 by what? 3 by 4. So left hand side that is sin 18 degree plus cos 36 degree. Value of sin 18 degree root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin square here, cos square here. Okay, so sin square here, cos square here. So what is this is whole square into this, not plus this. Okay, this is sin square, that is cos 36 means what? Root 5 minus 1 whole square, this is 4 whole square, thus this is equal to what? Root 5 minus 1 whole square by 16, root 5, so this is what? Plus root 5 plus 1 by, this is whole square by 16. Okay, so this is equal to what? LCM 16, root 5 minus 1 whole square plus root 5 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so now this is what is formula? A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is equal to what? 2 into a square means what? 2 into a square means root 5 whole square, b square means 1 square divided by 16. So this is 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 16. Okay, so this is 8 and 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the right hand side. Okay, prove that. Another question, prove that cos 9 degree plus what? Sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree is equal to tan 54 degree. You can take left hand side or right hand side. Suppose we take left hand side. So what is here? Cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. Okay, so divide, the answer is what? In terms of 10. So divide numerator and denominator by cos 9 degree. So this is equal to 1 plus tan 9 degree divided by 1 minus tan 9 degree. So 1 means what? Tan 45 degree plus 9 degree. This is 1. It is nothing but 1 into tan 9. So 1 minus what? Tan 45 degree into tan 9 degree. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to tan A plus B, that is 45 plus 9 degree. So this is equal to tan 54 degree, which is equal to RHS. You can take RHS and also prove. Okay, now one more question. Another question is, that is prove that. Another question, prove that tan degree plus tan 35 degree plus tan what? Tan degree into tan 35 degree is equal to 1. This is the proof. We can write, this is the, what is the relation? Tan and 35 and 45. 10 plus 35 is equal to what? 45 degree. That is 1 means what? 45 degree. So write 10 plus 35 degree, 10 degree equal to what? 45 degree. Taking both side 10, we can write. Okay, we can write this. Taking both side 10 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 45 degree. Okay, now apply tan A plus B formula. 10 degree plus 35 degree divided by 1 minus 10 degree into 35 degree is equal to 45 means 1, that is equal to 10 degree plus tan 35 degree is equal to 1 minus tan degree into tan 35 degree. Okay, so this is equal to tan degree plus tan 35 degree minus tan degree into tan 35 degree is equal to 1. This is the required proof. Okay, this is the required proof. Now another question. First here tan plus 35 is equal to 45, and taking both sides 10, then apply tan a plus b formula, then the result is after. Okay, now another formula. This is equal to what? Prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b. Prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b divide by this is b. Okay, 2b divide by what? Sin 2a minus sin 2b is equal to, that is what? Sin tan a plus b by tan a minus b is equal to tan a plus b by tan a minus b. Okay, now left hand side, this is the question. Now left hand side, what is here? That is sin 2a plus sin 2b divide by sin 2a minus sin 2b. Clear? This is the left hand side. Okay, then apply sin c plus sin d formula. What is sin c plus sin d formula? Apply sin c plus sin 2 sin c means 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2 whole divide by, this is sin c minus sin d, 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 into sin 2a minus 2b by 2. So 2 to cancel here, that is 2 common here. So what is here? Sin 2 into, this is 2 common, a plus b 2 common, so 2 cancel, 2 common, so 2 cancel, that is sin a plus b into cos a minus b divided by what? Cos a plus b into what? Sin a minus b. So what is here? That is equal to tan a plus b into what? Cot a minus b. So cot theta is equal to what? 1 minus tan, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Clear? Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So tan a plus b into 1 by what? Tan a minus b. So final answer is what? Final answer is equal to, that is equal to tan a plus b by tan a minus b, which is equal to what? Right hand side. Tan a plus b, that is what? This is equal to tan a plus b. This is equal to what? Tan a plus b by what? Tan a minus b. That is right hand side. That is RHS. Now another question. This is the question. Prove that sin b by sin a is equal to sin 2a plus b by sin a minus 2 cos a plus b. Okay, this is the question. This is left hand side and this is right side. Take right hand side, it is easy. So right hand side sin 2a plus b by sin a is minus 2 cos a plus b. Taking LCM here, what is LCM? Sin a is LCM here. So what is sin 2a plus b minus 2 cos a plus b. Okay, 2 cos a plus b into sin a. One formula that is what? 2 cos A into sin B. What is formula for 2 cos A into sin B? This is formula is what? Cos sin A plus B minus what? Sin A minus B is the formula. So this is A and this is B. So this formula is 2 cos A into sin B. Okay, 2 cos A into sin B. A means here what? A plus B. And B means what? A. So apply this formula, that is equal to sin 2A plus B minus sin A plus B. Means sin A plus B plus A. A means what here? A plus B. And B means what here? B. A. Minus sin A minus B. So A plus B minus A. Divide by sin A. Whole divide by what? Sin A. Clear? So this is equal to sin 2A plus B minus of this what? Sin A plus a 2A plus B, and minus plus, and this is A cancel here. Sin B divide by what? Sin A. Divide by sin A. So this term goes cancel. So sin B by sin A is equal to right hand side, RHS. Clear? Is equal to right hand side. Now another question. Prove that sin 2A plus sin 5A minus sin A divided by similar cos 2A plus cos 5A plus cos A is equal to what? Tan 2A is equal to tan 2A. Okay, so left hand side, this is the question. So take left hand side, that is what? Sin 2A plus sin 5A minus sin A divide by cos 2A plus cos 5A plus cos A. Now apply CD formula, sin C plus sin D formula, or sin C plus sin D formula. 2A, the answer is in terms of what? The answer is in terms of 2A. The answer is in terms of 2A. So 2A term remains same as it. This is 2A term, this is 2. So this take bracket, put bracket here. So what is formula here? Sin C minus sin D formula you should apply it here. So sin 2A, this is sin C minus sin D. What is formula? Sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D formula. This is equal to what? Here two formula, that is first in numerator, that is sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, and denominator, that is cos C plus cos D is equal to what? Is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. These two formula we have to apply it here. Okay, so this is sin 2A plus what? 2 cos 5A plus A by 2 into sin 5A minus A by 2. So divide by, whole divide by, that is cos 2A cos C plus cos D formula, this formula 2 cos 5A plus A by 2 and cos 5A minus A by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to sin 2A plus 2 into 2 into cos 5a plus a, 6a by 2, that is 3a, 5a minus a, 4a by 2, that is 2a, sin 2a, divide by cos 2a plus 2 into cos what, 3a, and this is what, cos 2a. Now in numerator take sin 2a common and in denominator take cos 2a common. So from numerator, that is in, take common sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 1 plus 2 cos 3a. In denominator take common cos 2a. So cos 2a common here, 1 plus 2 cos 3a. Same factor here and here. So this goes cancel. So sin 2a is equal to what? Sin 2a by cos 2a. That is what? Tan 2a. This is equal to right hand side. Okay. Now another question. Another question. Another question. Prove that cot a minus tan a. Prove that cot a minus tan a divided by what? Cot a plus tan a. Cot a plus tan a is equal to what? Cos 2a is equal to cos 2a. Okay. Now left hand side, this is the question. What is left hand side? Left hand side, that is cos a minus what? Cot a, not cos a, cot a minus tan a divided by cot a plus tan a. Apply the cot and tan in terms of sin and cos. So this is cos a by sin a, sin a by cos a. So whole divided by what? Whole divided by cos a divided by sin a plus sin a divided by cos a. So take here, that is cos square a minus what? Sin square a divided by what? Sin a into cos a whole divided by, this is cos square a plus sin square a whole divided by, that is sin a into cos a. So sin a into cos a goes cancel. Cos square a minus sin square is equal to what? Cos 2a. Cos square a plus sin square a equal to what? 1. This is equal to 1. So this is equal to cos 2a RHS. This is the proof. Now another question. Prove that cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot a. Prove that cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. This is also a very easy question. So proof is, that is left hand side. What is left hand side here? Cot a minus tan a. The answer is what? The right hand side is in terms of cot 2a. So convert tan in terms of cot. So cot a 1 by cot a. LCM cot a, this is cot square a minus 1. What is cot 2a for? What is the formula for cot 2a? Cot 2a is equal to what? Cot square minus 1 by 2 cot a. Okay. Here 2 absent. In denominator 2 is required. So divide and multiply by 2. That is what? 2 into cot square a minus 1 by what? 2 cot a. 2 cot a. This is formula for what? Which? Cot 2a. So this is equal to 2 into cot 2a is equal to right hand side. Clear? Is equal to right hand side. Now another question. Now another question. Prove that cos 80 degree. Prove that cos 80 degree 80, that is 80 degree plus cos 40 degree. Cos 80 degree plus cos 40 degree minus cos 20 degree. Minus cos 20 degree is equal to what? 0. Is equal to 0. So left hand side. That is what? Cos 80 degree plus cos 40 degree minus cos 20 degree. So apply cos C plus cos D formula. Apply cos C plus cos D formula. So what is here? 2 cos C plus D by 2. 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40 by 2 into cos 80. This is what? 80 degree minus 40 degree by 2 minus cos 20 degree. So this is equal to 2 cos 120 by 2 60 degree, and this is 40 by 2, that is cos 20 degree minus cos 20 degree. Okay, this is cos C plus cos D formula, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2, and this is cos C minus D by 2. Now this is cos 20. Now 120 by 2, that is 60, and 40 by 2 is that 20. What is the value of cos 20? Cos 60. This is 1 by 2 into what? Cos into cos 20 degree minus cos 20 degree. So this is cancel. So cos 20 degree minus cos 20 degree is equal to what? 0 is the right hand side answer. This is one question. Okay. Prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2a into a minus b is equal to 4 sin a cos b into cos a minus b. So left hand side, what? This is sin 2a plus sin 2b plus what? Sin 2 into a minus b. Apply sin C plus sin D formula. Okay. So this is 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2, and this is cos 2a minus 2b by 2, and this is what? Sin 2 into a minus b. Now this is equal to 2a, 2 common here, so 2 cancel. So sin a plus b. Okay, 2a 2b, 2 common, a 2 cancel, 2 common, this 2 cancel. So cos, this is cos a minus b, and this is what? Sin in terms of sin 2 theta form. This is what? Sin of 2 into a minus b. So this is sin 2 theta form. Okay, sin 2 theta form. So 2 sin theta means what? A minus b into cos theta means what? Cos a minus b. So take common 2 cos what? A minus b common. So here, what is here? Sin a plus b and plus sin a minus b. This formula for what? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equal to 2 sin a into cos b. So 2 cos a minus b, and this is what? 2 what? Sin a into what? Cos b. Now 2 into 2, 4, that is 4 sin a into cos b minus cos a minus b. This is equal to right hand side. Clear? Prove that tan a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So right hand side, square root of 1 minus cos a by what? 1 plus cos a. We know 1 minus cos a formula, that is what? 2 sin square a by 2. 1 minus cos 2a formula, 1 minus cos a formula is what? 2 sin square a by 2. 1 plus cos a formula, that is 2 cos square a by 2 root over. 2 cancel here, that is root over tan square A by 2, which is equal to what? Tan A by 2 RHS. Okay, now another question, prove that another question, prove that another question, prove that 1 minus root over 1 minus sin A divided by what? 1, this is 1 plus sin A and this is 1 minus sin A is equal to tan 45 degree, that is pi by 4, tan pi by 4 plus what? A by 2, plus A by 2. This is another question. Now take left hand side, square root of what? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So what is formula for 1 plus sin A? We discussed 1 plus sin A formula. 1 plus sin A, that is what? Cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 whole square. Cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 whole square, and minus, this is minus. So put here, that is cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 whole square divided by what? Cos A by 2 minus sin A by 2 whole square, and this is root over. So this is cos A by 2 plus sin A by 2 divided by what? Cos A by 2 minus sin A by 2, square root, square cancel. Now divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos A by 2. Divide numerator means NR, short form NR. NR means what? Numerator. DR means what? Short form denominator, by cos A by 2. So this is what? Cos A by 2, 1, sin A by 2 divided by cos A by 2, that is tan A by 2, cos A by 2, 1, and this is sin A by 2, cos A by 2, that is tan A by 2. Okay, so this is tan pi by 4 plus tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4, but 1 is 1 in tan A by 2 is also tan A by 2, so tan pi by 4 here, tan A by 2. So tan A plus tan B divide by 1 minus tan A into tan B, that is tan A plus B, pi by 4 plus A by 2, which is equal to what? Right hand side. Okay, and this is the question. Now another question, prove that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4 plus theta. So left hand side, sec theta plus what? Tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta, that is equal to we can write here 1 by cos theta. So this is sin theta by cos theta. So this is 1 plus sin theta divided by what? Cos theta, divided by cos theta. This is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, 1 plus sin theta means what? 1 plus sin theta means cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by whole square. The formula already discussed, how it is 1 plus sin theta is equal to cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. So 1 plus sin theta means what? This is rough work for your understanding. For 1 plus sin theta, 1 means we can write cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2, and sin theta means what? We can write 2 cos theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. So a square plus b square plus 2ab means y plus b whole square. So cos theta means a and sin theta by 2, and the cos theta by sin theta by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. Okay, this is formula obtained from this. Now cos theta in terms of theta by 2 means what? cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So this is equal to cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square, and this is what? This is a square minus b square. So cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2, one term cancel here, one term cancel here. This is what? Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. This is by 2 whole square. One term cancel here. So remaining here, that is cos theta by 2, that is cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by what? Cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. This is also we derived for this formula. Tan 45 plus theta by 2, so tan, this is equal to tan pi by 4 plus this is theta by 2, not theta, so this is theta by 2, so this is pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to what? RHS. So in RHS, that is theta by tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. These are the some problems from material. Thank you. Have a nice day.